Okay, the joys of videotaping. So my camera was off and I'm not sure where I left off at. So I'm going to show you what I have for July. This might be a really short video. I've got, what I did was I made 2 pockets out of scrapbook paper, and I just made my own patterns, cut them out, folded them, and I glued them in with washi tape, put glue along the seam, glued it to the page and to the pocket. Same thing here and the same thing here. So that gave me these 2 pockets for prayers for July. I was going for a red, white, and blue because it's 4th of July in America. If you're in another country, you can do whatever color you would like. And then I did washi tape around for a frame for this. And then on this one, I just tore little pieces of music and paper and just did a scrappy solution for that one. And glued this on. And so now we have the part for the praise pocket. So let me grab one of those. I've got all these scraps from that pocket I just did. Let's see, here's one. Okay. All right, so there's that. And what I could do, what I was thinking about doing is I think I'm going to take this same paper and just cut a piece out to kind of tie it back in over here. Plus, that's a super easy solution, isn't it? So let's see. I want to make sure I get it right side up. So it's like this. Okay. All right, so I want to get my corners rounded right. Let me do this. Okay, hopefully I've got it stuck back in there. And since I don't know where the tape started and stopped, I will just say this was from my tattered and worn paper pad that I got at Hobby Lobby. And it kind of has a rainbow of colors, which is really nice because you can always find what you need. Plus, they've got a lot of nice neutral color ones. Wow, that's so weird to me. I trace around it, cut it out, and it's so far off, so that's okay. I can trim it. Maybe. And then ink it. Okay. And glue. Oh, I gotta ink this too, sorry. Okay. Put that praise pocket on, and so we have a big full page to do something with here on the back of July. And so I was thinking I'm going to go look in my stash of stacked pockets and things like that, just see if there's something that that lends itself back here. So I'm going to go look for that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I did find a pocket I can use. It is made out of hems. And what I had done is I took 3 different hems, stacked them up, made pockets, just stitched around with my sewing machine and inked it. So that can be glued in here. So then I need something on the background. And so what I was thinking is I just keep on with the scrapping and see what I have, maybe to add some color. Some blue-green here, I think I'm going to use. That is some pretty heavy paper. I'm not sure where that came from, but I've repositioned it so many times now, it's probably not going to stick, but I'll go back and restick it. Okay. Let's see what else I got. My other bucket of scraps. I'm running out of... A little bit of more blue. Okay, I think that gives me enough of an edge. Yes. So I'm just going to glue my pockets on. So there, that needs more glue along there, it looks like. And trim this edge here. And ink. And I don't think I'm going to try to do that along there. It's a little too bulky, but okay. So there's my special page for between July and August. So that's it for July. Like I said, this may be a super short video. We'll have to wait and see till I go back and see what my camera actually captured. But thank you very much for watching. And so let's look at it here. Here's July with the 2 pockets. And washi tape around the edge. This side, we did scraps of music and words. And we did scrapbooking paper with the praise pocket. And then on the very back, we did some more scrapping and just put this special pocket. So we're moving right along. We've got August next. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button. Think about subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.